ka sa likod ko. Hanapin natin si Chupista. Asa si Chupista? Nag-peace pa, ma'am. Aking ina-miss. Ay, pakabo. Ay, pakabo. Talagang shoes ang inano ko. Talagang shoes. Talagang shoes.
The university officials. Let's begin with the university chief librarian, Professor Cordelisa. Followed by the head of the cash division, Ms. Gloria Diaz.
Ay, tatayo pala.
The head of the office of ICTO, Professor Chris Gatula. The Dean of Discipline, Dr. Virginia Bergani. The Dean of the Student Affairs for Student Academic Affairs, Dr. Victoria Crisostomo.